Every year, millions of people around the world depend on dialysis machines to stay alive. Without them, their kidneys can't filter waste from the blood, and death comes quickly. But what if I told you there's a new device that could end dialysis forever? Kidney failure is one of the fastest growing health problems. Right now, more than 850 million people worldwide suffer from some form of kidney disease. For many, the only options are endless dialysis sessions or kidney transplant. Dialysis is life-saving, but it's far from perfect. Patients spend hours connected to a machine multiple times per week, leaving them weak, drained, and often unable to work or live freely. And kidney transplants. The waiting list is long, and donors are few. The reality is that thousands die every year simply waiting. Dialysis machines do their job, but they only replace a fraction of what healthy kidneys actually do. Kidneys aren't just filters. They regulate blood pressure, balance minerals, and even produce hormones. Dialysis can't perfectly replicate these functions, which is why patients still face complications and shortened lifespans. This is where biomedical engineers decided to change the game. A group of researchers and engineers have been working on something called the wearable artificial kidney. Unlike traditional dialysis machines that are bulky, stationary, and require hours of treatment, this new device is lightweight, portable, and can run continuously. Imagine strapping on a device no bigger than a belt and letting it filter your blood 24/7. No more hospital chairs, no more lost hours, no more constant exhaustion. The wearable artificial kidney uses advanced nanotechnology filters that mimic the natural filtration system of a real kidney. Instead of requiring massive amounts of water and dialysate fluid like traditional dialysis, this device recycles and reuses a small amount of fluid, making it efficient and compact. It connects to the patient's bloodstream through a small port, allowing toxins, excess salt, and water to be removed continuously, just like a real kidney would. Some versions of the technology even integrate sensors that track electrolytes and blood chemistry in real time, adjusting filtration automatically. In early trials, patients who tested the wearable artificial kidney described the experience as life-changing. Instead of being tied to a clinic, they were able to walk, work, and even travel while receiving treatment. For the first time in years, many felt like they had control over their lives again. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Researchers are also working on the implantable bioartificial kidney. This is a device small enough to be surgically placed inside the body, powered by the patient's own blood flow. If successful, it could permanently replace dialysis and even eliminate the need for donor transplants. It's not just treatment, it's a potential cure. And here's the twist. These breakthroughs are no longer just concepts. Clinical trials are underway, and the FDA has already given fast-track approval for testing. If the results continue to be successful, the next decade could see kidney failure patients walking into hospitals not for dialysis sessions, but for device fittings that change their lives forever. The end of dialysis, as we know it, may be closer than we think. But the big question is, if these devices become widely available, will healthcare systems make them affordable to everyone who needs them? Would you trust an artificial kidney inside your body if it meant freedom from dialysis forever?